Okay. Oh. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And I am in my backyard, and it's so beautiful. I need to share with you. Look at it. This is the lemon. Look at the color. Isn't it a paradise? And this is the best time of the day, the golden sunset. See our lemon. Lemon never disappoint us. And every year we have a lot of lemon. It's time for lemon curd, lemon juice, lemon syrup, and this one is pomelo. We have taken care a lot of them, not all of them. And plum, this year seems a small year. Last year it was big, and blackberry, and our bougainvillea, so beautiful. Oh, look at the color. The purple one is catching up. Usually the red one is earlier season, and the purple one is later season. Something like when the red one finish, the purple one will come up after around June, July, but they are coming early this year. Oh, look at it. And apple, maybe we are going to have a good harvest. Yet last year the apple was not so good. And the pear also looks pretty good. It's always like this. If one year is good, the other year is not that good. And our peach must have some already. Anyway, let's do an outfit of the day and just be silly. Okay, let's take a look. And this is so comfortable. Now I start to like this kind of dress, and it's flare, right? It opens up, not so much, not straight. When you wear something straight, it's not so easy to walk. This one is so comfortable. Jing, 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 jing. Just so comfortable. N'est-ce pas? N'est-ce pas? Ba, 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 ba. Ching, 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 ching. Oh, feels so good. Dun, 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 dun. I think I am being silly enough. I wish you happy, happy, happy every day. I love you. I really do. Do. It's so good to just do some silly stuff. Just do some exercise. Not even exercise, just jumping and boom, 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 boom. It pop up energy. It's good.